have any more pain, go to the ER or whatever. I'm like, this woman don't know what she's talking about.
Like, I'm dying here, like, lady.
Today's a little story time. Where I was today years old. This actually happened. When did this happen? This happened about early summer, like late June. Yeah, like late June of 2025. So this is the backstory, right? Y'all, so I have ran out of grapeseed oil. I usually always cook my chicken, my food in grapeseed oil. But I wasn't at the store I usually get it from for a good price, affordable price. So I was at another grocery store and I was like, let me just check out the oils and see what they got. All their oils is like extremely high, whatever. So I tried to get the cheapest like oil, and it was extra virgin olive oil. It's like for $8.99. Here's the brand of olive oil I got, y'all. So keep that in mind if y'all see it out in the store. I haven't used extra virgin olive oil in years. Like, I don't know what, maybe, I guess because it got expensive maybe, but I've been like using grapeseed oil like for a while. But I did use it in the past though, olive oil. Y'all, let me tell you, so I got this olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I cook my boneless chicken, organic chicken, in this extra virgin olive oil. It was so good too. I forgot how good it was. I was like, oh, I'm about to start cooking in this all the time now. Forget grapeseed. Like, this joint is good. Like, it's a good taste. Like, I loved it. Y'all know the next morning I had to keep going to the bathroom to do number 2. Literally, like, I went back to back. I had to keep going back to back to the bathroom. And I was like, oh shit, I don't know what's going on with me, right? So I noticed, like, I have another pill that I take for brain function, cognitive function, and it's called L-theanine. And I noticed I have a 200 mg of it, and by me taking the whole thing, it actually makes me constipated. So I've been like breaking it apart and only taking half of it, and it doesn't make me constipated when I do that. So by me already knowing this information, and I noticed that I'm going back to the bathroom, I took that L-theanine, the whole one, so I could stop pooping, y'all. I had to stop because it was like, hold on, because I don't know what is this, because what, y'all. So I did some research and was looking up, does olive oil make you go to the bathroom? And sure enough, it's a detox. What? I did an unexpected detox. Didn't even know. Like, what? Where they do that at? And my body is so bougie now anyway. So like, by being extra virgin, it gave extra virgin. It did what it did, I guess. But now I know I can't have extra virgin olive oil unless I want to detox, y'all. So I did that, right? And like the next day, I was kind of like a little bit energized or whatever. So I was like, I'm gonna go back to the gym. I haven't been in the gym in like a month or whatever. So I was like, let me get back into the gym. I went to the gym, worked out. Then the next day, I went to work. So my job is like a labor job or whatever. So y'all, so I went to the bathroom. And before I go to the bathroom at my job, before I go all the way in, I do a sniff check. So I was like, somebody blew up the bathroom. I didn't go in that one, but I did my sniff check and that was the first one. And I was like, y'all, by me just sniffing that for that quick second made me nauseous, like nauseous. So when I went back downstairs, after I went to the other bathroom, used the restroom, I didn't have to go, I didn't do number 2 or nothing. Like, I just had to go do number 1. Like, it wasn't, like, I was done, like, doing a whole detox pooping thing. But I went back downstairs. I'm trying, like, do my work. I'm bending down and stuff. I'm like, yo, I feel so nauseous. Like, I never felt this nauseous. Like, I felt like my stomach was hurting. It just was, like, weird. Ever since I sniffed that bathroom. Y'all, so I go to the urgent care. She run tests or whatever, P test to see if my organs is good or whatever. It was a Chinese doctor too. She said, honey, go home, get some rest, drink water, and get you some Pedialyte. She said, get you some Pedialyte, honey. And I was like, okay. And I just walked out. She was like, if you have any more pain, go to the ER or whatever. I'm like, this woman don't know what she's talking about. Like, I'm dying here. Like, lady, what are you talking about? Like, get some Pedialyte. Like, it's that simple. No, it does not. It's not that simple, because something is going on. I'm dying inside. And so I did what I was told though. So I went to the grocery store, got me some Pedialyte, got me some water, and got me some rest. And a few days later, I did feel better. But y'all, I was today years old when I found out that when you detox, when you do a lot of pooping, cleansing out, that's taking out your electrolytes in your body, your electrolytes. We electric. We need the electrolytes to function. Did y'all know that? Because I was today years old when I found that out. That was just a few months ago. We're in October now. That was back in June. And I'm like, why did he never tell nobody about this? And then by me working out, because when you sweat, you're losing electrolytes too. So when you poop a lot, diarrhea a lot and stuff, cleansing yourself and then working out, sweating, you're losing electrolytes. I was never told this ever in health class. I don't remember it. I feel like doctors should be saying this at every checkup. But like, never heard of this. I was today years old when I found out, and I'm like, all I need was some electrolytes. Like, what? This is crazy. So if y'all detoxing, y'all doing all these parasite cleanse and all this and all that on TikTok, make sure y'all got your electrolytes. They said the highest, make sure the potassium level is higher than the sodium level, because it like balances it out. So if nobody told y'all, y'all heard it from me, my experience. So please, if y'all are detoxing, please have your electrolytes. Please, like, get a lot of them, like buy a lot to refill your electrolytes back in your body, because y'all losing it when you're detoxing. And if y'all have any electrolytes in mind that y'all love, like, please put in the comments below, because I'm always searching for more different ones, like, that have more potassium levels. And I would like to find one that has zinc, magnesium as well, with the potassium and like the B vitamins. But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all find, because I'm always on a search trying to find something new. But yeah, that's my story. Like, that's crazy. Like, I just be finding out stuff so late. Like, I know I live under a rock, but damn, like, nobody let me know. So I'm letting y'all know. I hope this helped. Put in the comments if y'all experience anything, or like I said, any electrolytes that y'all love. Please put it below. Let's share. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.